So yesterday we were talking about the global and local variable. So we are going to continue with that. So saying one more example. So some of them might be new today you have joined. So don't worry. We'll actually what in case if you feel difficult over there, I'll be taking the backup sessions for you guys. Okay. So this is a program we are going to execute. So let me. So as I told you, always when we execute, what will happen for me? A new memory location will be created for me. New memory location will be created, and then the memory location name will be my class name with some hexadecimal number. The first memory which will be created. Hey, hi Divya. Can you tell me what will be the first memory which will be created?
Static pool.
Yes. Static pool is the first memory which will be created. And what are the members will be loaded into the static pool?
All static values.
Yes. So can you tell me?
The main.
One is the main function. So I'll just directly add main. Yes. Then
In K is equals to 40.
yes, static in K equal to 40. Correct. Any other static members do we have here?
No.
No, that's it. So only these two members alone will be loaded for me. Yes, correct. Then
Local memory for the main will be created.
correct. The main will be the first memory which will be created. So a local memory for main is created now. Yes, correct. Then correct. So then now what we are doing here? Yeah. Int I equal to 10, int j equal to 20. What is that? Trying to create a new variable under the main memory.
Main memory.
Okay. Two local variables have been created. So any variables that have been declared inside the function will be local variables for this specific function. Any variable that has been declared outside the function will be called as a
Global.
global. Yes, that's it. Okay, good. Yeah. Then now next what will happen? So yeah, okay, this is new for you guys, right? So local variable I plus space plus j. So what is this concept means? It is concatenation. So if I just go here, I'll just take one. Concatenation. I'll create a class. So right now, Sizzle hello is it. So now what will happen right now for me if I try to execute this? So let me execute this. So it prints me hello you. Okay. So next, it's just it's not been refreshed properly. That's why it's throwing me a string. Yeah. So now if I give plus world, now what will happen means, okay, hello is a string, world is a string. Okay. So when I right click, run it, what will happen means it will join both the words. That is called as concatenation. Okay. So if I want to give a space, so I can also give like that. That's it. Now what will happen? Hello, space, and then world. Okay, right now hello world is there. Extra one more space will come. That's it. Okay, same thing now. Sizzle 100. What will happen? That will print me 100. Now if I give me plus 200. Now what will happen? That will give me 300. Because both are numbers. When both the numbers are being added, that is actually when it been joined, that will be added here. Same thing in case if my side, if I have 100 is a string, then this 200 is a number. Now what will happen if you see any one information is a string, then what will happen? It will be concatenated. That's what will happen here. So that's what here when I give Sizzle global variable space plus 100, when I give, what will happen? That will give me global variable 100. Now I have one variable called integer a equal to 10. Now if I print Sizzle variable space plus a, now what will happen? That will give me variable space, and then what is the a value? That is 10. So 10 will be printed for me. If I have one more thing, int b is equal to 20. So now I'll give plus space plus b. Now what will happen? Right click, run as Java application. So variable space 10 space 20. Clear? This concept is called as concatenation. So we have to see more in concatenation. Just an heads up for you. That's it. Okay. We will see in detail in the next sessions, upcoming sessions over there. Clear? Everyone understood, please? Any questions? Cool. So let me go here. So now, Divya, can you tell me what will happen now?
It checks in the static for the I value.
So first it will print local variable. Okay. Then after that, next is what?
I.
I.
First checks in the local memory. If it is there.
Why it will directly go to the local memory? Because we are referring only the variable name.
Yeah, variable.
Yes. So that will print me here. Do we have I variable?
Yes.
Yes. So the value will be
10.
10. So 10 will be printed for you. Then a space.
Okay, yeah.
Next,
This is the 20.
correct, J. So again, referring with the variable name. So go to the local memory. Do we have J? Yes. So that will be, sorry, 20 for me. Yes.
Then it is global variable K. It checks in local memory. If it is not there in
Yes,
the local memory, it goes to static pool and checks there
correct.
and it
Correct. So when I refer only K, the variable name alone, search goes to the main function, the local memory. Do we have K? No. Then after that it goes to the static pool because main memory came from static pool, goes to the static pool, then get me the K value. Yes, super. Yeah. Then next, now what will happen? What is my class name?
it's global local variable.
Yeah, so I'm referring the K variable with reference to a class name. Now where the search will go?
It goes to the class.
Correct.
Static. Yeah.
So global local variable dot K. Okay, so goes to the static pool and what is the K value?
40.
40. So 40 will be printed. Yes. Then
Then it goes to the
global local variable
object.
obj
It's in
equal to new global local variable. So now what we are doing right now?
we
Any
are
idea?
referring to class with object, the global variable.
Yeah, we are creating an object
Yeah.
for the class global local variable reference. So now what happened? It creates me a object.
Object.
Then what is my object name here?
In reference of class
Yeah.
global variable.
No, no, no.
New,
Object name is
new global variable. Local variable.
new global local variable will help me to create an object. Obj will be the object
Object.
name. Global local variable will act as a reference. Tell to the object that is load only global members of global local variable class. Okay. So now obj will be the object name. Then what are the global members for this class?
Um, uh, 40.
Static in
K40.
K40. Yeah. So static members alone always it will go to the static pool and then what is the current value that will be taken and then given to me.
Yeah.
Then my main function.
Main function.
Then do we have any non-static members? Sorry, yes.
Static 40. Static numbers is 40. Non-static is P equals 50.
Correct. One non-static member in P equal to 50. Yes, that's it. These are the three members we have here. Clear? Good. Hey, thanks, Divya. Super. Hey, hi, Sadish.
Hi, Murli.
Yeah, hi, Sadish. Sadish, now can you tell me what will happen now?
So we are referring the object. So from the object, it will print the P and K.
Correct. So goes to the object. We are referring with the help of object name. Goes to the object. What is the P value here?
It's 50.
50. So 50 will be printed.
And then the next statement will print the K from the
Correct.
object.
Obj. What is the K value? 40.
40.
Yes.
Now
Now
we are again initializing the object value only. Object P is equal to 60.
60.
So the
So
60 will be stored in the object P.
yes. So obj dot p is 60. We are changing. We are reinitializing the value of p to 60. So
Yeah.
now what will happen? The value of p will change from 50 to 60. Yes. Then next.
Then the K will be initialized with 90.
Correct. So obj dot k is 90. So go to the obj. What is the k value? 40. That will be replaced with 90. But So I already told you once, that is static members will have only one copy. The same information only will be reflected everywhere. So whenever there is a change in the static member value, that change will be applied globally everywhere. All the places the static members value will be changed, because all will be like a reflection only here. So the original information stored under the static pool, that information will be taken from everywhere. Clear? So from where this object is created, we created the main function, right? So that's why this obj comes from here. Then after, when we do the k value change, so that change will apply everywhere, wherever we have the k. That is the static pool only we have the k, right? That's the change. Now
Now
obj dot
the
p,
P, which is 60
yes,
plus 90,
obj p, that is
is
60.
150. No,
Yes,
OBJP is a string, so OBJP and then 60.
correct. Then obj
And
dot k,
OBJP string plus, which is K 90,
yes, goes to the object. What is the k value? That is 90 there.
90.
Yes, correct. Then
Global local variable is a string.
yes, it will print that. Then global
Then
local variable dot
the
k.
dot K, the value from the static pool will be taken because it refers to the class name. So
Correct.
still it's going to be the same, but it will take the
Yes,
value from the static pool.
correct. That's it. Yes. Now what I'm doing?
We are creating a new object,
Yes. What is the object name?
the obj1.
Yes, it's obj1.
Yeah.
Yes. From where it's
Now,
created? It's created from the main
from
function.
the main function,
Yes.
and we are loading the global local variable into it.
So yes.
So
So
the static integer of k of 90 will be loaded.
correct. So all the static members will be loaded from the static pool only.
Yeah,
So what is the current value?
it's 90.
It is 90. Yes.
Yeah, and then the main,
Correct.
and then
Yes.
the local.
Then the
Yeah,
non-static
and then
variable.
the non-static variable, which is int p50.
Correct. Non-static variable will be taken from the beginning place.
Beginning. Yeah.
Yeah. So only for the k, it has taken the current value, but not for the non-static variables. It takes
Non-static.
from here only.
Yeah.
Clear, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Then.
So now we are printing the string obj1.p
Yes.
plus 50.
Yes. obj1. What is the p value right now? That is 50.
50. Yeah.
Yes. Correct. Then.
Then obj1.k
Yes.
space 90.
Yes. So k value it is 90. Yes. Then.
Now again we are referring the class value. Yeah, global local variable plus
Yes.
the k value from the class,
Static pool.
which is still static pool.
That is 90.
Yeah.
Yes. Then.
And now we are initializing the global local variable of k to 20.
Correct.
So
So
now
yes.
the value in the static pool will be changed to 20.
From 90 to 20 will be changed.
Yeah.
Because we are referring with the help of a class name.
Class name.
But I already told you static members what will happen? It will be only one copy.
Yeah.
So what will happen? The change will apply in
objects.
all the places
Both
also.
the objects. Yeah.
Yes. Same everywhere. The value of static pool will be 20 now.
20.
Clear, right? This is the important thing that you have to learn from this. Okay, right? From this program. Yes. Then.
Now again we are initializing the object once the k value to 70.
Yeah.
Then with static integer, it should apply in everywhere, like object one object and then static pool, all the k will be replaced with 70.
Correct. So here I'm changing 70. So when I change here with 70, so it will be changed here, and also it will be changed in the static pole.
Also in the next object.
Yes,
Right?
and also in the other places also. One change will apply in all over the places
For the static condition.
for the static member server. Yes. Now,
And we are initializing the obj1.p, which is the non-static member in the obj1
yes,
to 25.
correct. So now, if I change here, will it change anywhere?
No.
No, only in that place alone. Clear, right? Awesome.
Yes.
A good man. Thanks, Adish.
Sure.
So now next, hey, hi Divya. You like to try the next few lines?
Yeah, sure.
So that is what these steps alone. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Now what happened?
It is object 2 with
Yes.
new object 2.
Yes. I'm going to create a new object which is obj2. Yes. Now what are the members will be loaded?
It's local variable class. In class, k value is 70.
Yeah. The static members, static in k equal to 40. That is actually static members always it will take from the static pool, the current value. The current value is 70 for it. Yes. Then my main function. Then after that,
Object 2 p is equals to 25.
no. Non-static member always it will take what? The
Yeah,
old
sorry. It
value
takes
only.
old value. It's 50.
Yes. Then next,
K is equals to 17.
where the search will go?
It goes to the global local variable static pool.
Yes, static pool, because we are referring
Yeah,
with help of a class name. That's right. Yes. Then
and then it is object 2.
yes. So where this object 2 also is created means it's created from this place.
Yeah.
So in the obj2, what is the current value? obj2.p. What is the value? 50. Yes, correct. Then obj2.k. What is the value?
It's K 70.
70. Yes. Then obj2, oh sorry, obj.p. What is the obj.p?
It's 60.
Yes, it's 60.
60.
Then next is obj1.p.
Yeah. It's 25.
Yes, correct. So what are the thing means? What are the information that we need to learn here means static members alone, whenever there is a change, that change will apply everywhere. Non-static members that will apply only for that specific object alone. That's what this program says. Clear, right? Then once executed, it comes out of the main function. Now what will happen when it comes out of the main function?
Is there any way to initialize the
So tell me, Sadish.
is there any way to initialize the non-static member in the class level itself?
Yeah, we have an option that which I will be telling you in the upcoming classes.
Okay.
That is, you're asking me. That is, I want to change globally. Actually, what the non-static member also. The value once I change, it should be changed globally also. How can be done? Correct, right? That is for during the actually what? Yeah, during the execution time, when I change a value for the static members, is applying over there in the global level. Same thing, non-static member also during the execution time, when I do a change, that should apply globally. Next, after that, when I create an object, that object should carry the latest value. Yes, it's possible. That which I will be telling you in the upcoming classes.
Okay.
Okay, good. So now once execution of the main function is completed, now what will happen? Control comes out of the main function. Then now next what will happen?
The garbage filter deletes all the memory.
Correct. Deletes the main memory. From the main memory only, all these objects are created. So those objects also will be deleted. Then comes out of the entire program. So before it came out of the main function, now it's going to come out of the entire program. Now what happened? Static pool, and then the entire memory is deleted by the garbage collector. Clear, guys? Any questions for anyone? Okay, good. Anyone has any questions? If you have anything, let me know. Guna, for you, your today is the first session you came. I know you might understand 50-50, but no worries. Okay, so you can contact me again. So actually, what tonight we will have a backup session for you. So evening, night 9 to 10, we'll have a backup session for the whole classes, so that you will be clear on it. Okay. Okay, yes. Anyone has any questions so far? Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, Google. You have a question?
I don't know. Today I'm facing
Google, can you be a little bit louder?
So I'm facing today issues to connect the meeting today.
I hope so. You would have connected with the old meeting ID. I hope so.
No, actually you sent us a letter for meeting dated.
Google, I'm not able to hear you. Google.
Okay, fine. Now it's working. Okay, we'll
Okay, no. The thing, actually, just try once over there. So tomorrow session will be 7. You just try to connect by 6:55. Okay. If you face any issues, call me that time. So that actually what I will help you for sure.
Okay,
or send a mail. I will just have a look on it and then I will just get back to you guys.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. So if anyone face any issue, please let me know so that I can clear it before the session itself. Okay. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Meet you tomorrow, same time. Bye bye.